Our lungs are an integral part of our respiratory system, responsible for providing our bodies with a steady supply of oxygen while expelling harmful toxins. In today's world, where air pollution and environmental toxins are on the rise, it's more crucial than ever to prioritize the health of our lungs. While there are various methods and remedies touted for lung detoxification, one natural and effective approach is to incorporate specific beverages into your daily routine. In this video, we will explore a few powerful drinks that can help cleanse your lungs through a natural detoxification process. Green tea. Green tea has gained significant popularity for its numerous health benefits, and its potential to support lung health is no exception. Packed with antioxidants called catechins, green tea helps combat oxidative stress, reducing inflammation and supporting the body's natural detoxification pathways. Studies have suggested that these antioxidants may aid in protecting lung tissue from harmful pollutants, potentially reducing the risk of respiratory issues. Herbal infusions. Certain herbs are renowned for their ability to soothe and cleanse the respiratory system. Herbal infusions like peppermint, eucalyptus, and thyme have natural properties that can help clear congestion, ease breathing, and provide relief from respiratory discomfort. These herbal concoctions work by promoting mucus clearance and reducing inflammation in the airways, ultimately contributing to better lung health. Citrus beverages. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that supports the immune system and aids in the body's natural detoxification processes. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich sources of vitamin C. Incorporating fresh citrus juices or infusions into your daily routine can help strengthen lung tissues, reduce inflammation, and support the body's defenses against harmful environmental factors. Water and herbal teas. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining healthy lung function. Water helps thin mucus secretions, making it easier for the lungs to expel toxins and irritants. Herbal teas, such as chamomile and ginger, can also provide hydration while offering additional anti-inflammatory and soothing benefits to the respiratory system. Turmeric milk. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice, contains an active compound called curcumin with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Incorporating turmeric into your diet, especially in the form of golden milk, can help reduce lung inflammation and promote overall respiratory health. Fresh fruit and vegetable juices. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support lung health. Juices made from a variety of colorful produce, such as carrots, beets, apples, and leafy greens, can provide a nutrient-packed punch that aids in detoxification and supports the body's natural defenses against pollutants. Warm water. Simple yet effective, drinking warm water throughout the day can help maintain moisture in the respiratory tract and promote detoxification. Warm water helps relax the airways and supports the body's ability to flush out toxins, contributing to improved lung function over time. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is well known for its soothing properties for the skin, but it can also be beneficial for the respiratory system. Aloe vera juice has been suggested to help soothe inflammation in the airways and provide relief from respiratory discomfort. Ensure you're using high-quality, pure aloe vera juice and consult a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health concerns. Garlic and honey brew. Garlic is a natural antibiotic and antiviral agent that can support lung health by promoting the body's defense mechanisms. Create a potent infusion by combining crushed garlic with warm water and a spoonful of honey. This concoction can be sipped to potentially alleviate respiratory symptoms and boost your immune system. Peppermint and thyme steam inhalation. In addition to consuming lung-cleansing beverages, inhalation therapies can offer direct relief to your respiratory system. Boil water, add a handful of fresh peppermint or thyme leaves, and inhale the steam while covering your head with a towel. The aromatic compounds released from these herbs can help open up airways, ease congestion, and provide a refreshing sensation to your lungs. As you embark on your journey to cleanse your lungs with natural detoxifying beverages, remember that a holistic approach to lung health involves a combination of dietary choices, lifestyle changes, and regular exercise.